Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. You know it's real because I'm flipping exhausted. Today it has been a battle with the stocks to try to survive, keep in the market. With all this drama and all this stress, it's difficult, but we're here as a family. Everything you see here is real. We're joined by members of investors, traders around the world who share with you their positions, their live positions. This is my real money, all of my real money. This goes to zero live in the show. You will see it. This is real trading, real investments in real time with my real money, all of my real money on view. Only $2,000 in the bank to pay the daily bills. And that is exactly what we do here. All right, let's get straight into the trades right now. And today will be a difficult end to the show. It's been a recovery, I think. Hopefully tomorrow won't be a sell-off Friday. Let's hope not. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here and give us a thumbs up as well. All right, let's have a look. The overall markets. Overall position, 36,216, down nearly $1,000 today. Slowly recovering. Let's see what has caused that. Let's see what has gone up today. Let's see who is first in the chat. We've got Stephen Landowski. Let me just read. Loved your song for a super chat yesterday. Impossible Dream. Such feelings. Bravo. Thanks, Martin. You're very, very welcome. It was a pleasure to sing it. It really, really was. I love doing music in the show when someone gives me a super chat. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Let's have a look where we are right now. What's up, what's not. Been a real battle today, but as you can see, the S&P 500 may even turn green today. Look at that for a turnaround, eh? What about that? Virgin Galactic today. Wow, well, we bought more. I've now got 1,500 shares at 607. Remember, I came in at $35. Let's just remember that. Let's just remember the battles we've been through. Seb Dean is the first person in the live chat. How are you, Seb Dean? Lovely to have you here. Wow, that worked out right. Most of you in the chat said no. Most of you do not have the conviction and belief of what I have for Virgin Galactic, clearly. But as you can see, it paid off. I came in here today. I bought 100 shares. I only wish I'd bought more. But I came in today at 562 was it? 560. Look at it now, 579. I could trade that and take that profit and trim that off the top and then watch it go lower and then do it again. At the same time as making a profit, lowering my averages, improving my overall position all the time. Anyway, there we go. Virgin Orbit, same thing. I doubled down. I've got twice as many shares now at a lower price. So even though my overall balance is 36,000, and even though this is extremely stressful and extremely hard work, at the end of the day, I have more shares at lower prices. When things recover, I'm in a better position, right? Tesla, look at that today, bounced right back. I haven't sold any shares today. I haven't added any shares today because it's way above my minimum price. Rivian worked out well today. It's going back up again. What about Lucid? Lucid, I doubled my position today. I doubled it. I had 40, I've now got 80. And I bought it all the way down there at, where was it? I bought it round about 1480, right? That's been good today. I could take some profit there if I wanted to. We're down 4% overall though, because we've had, let's have a look over the week. We're down 11%. But I'm only down 4%. What a much better position in Lucid. And I've got more of them as well. It's a good company. Polestar, 35%. I haven't done anything there. Arrival, it's down all day, trading sideways. Let's have a little look. Amazon in the green. CMV Studio. Wow, has it been that long? Wow, 7 months. 7 months, Tom. Can you believe it? 7 months. No, I can't believe it. I can't. I've been doing this for 14 months now. A year and a half, 5 days a week. Is anybody else tired? Vorb, 12 soon. I want to hear words like this. I've not had a stock for months. 6 months, 7 months, maybe 7 months, I've not had a stock really take off. I've got so many stocks that could 4x, 5x, even 10x in my portfolio that I've done absolutely nothing that can do at least that. So when it does, it'll be a whole different world. Oh my gosh! I mean, let's just look at Virgin Orbit. $12 soon. Can you imagine? 4 times this amount. We've got flights coming up soon. Can you imagine? 4 times this amount. I'm at $3,000 right now. I'd be at 12. My entire portfolio will turn around. Ah, what a thing. Tesla. Tom, can I talk to you after the show, please? When we finish, can I talk to you after the show? Give me a call at the end of the show. Rivian is up, down 3% right now. Lucid, I doubled my position this morning. Polestar, Arrival, we just covered this. Right, here we go. Amazon was green a second ago. Actually green. Can you believe it? The reason why you can be so bullish on space is because it's not too much of your portfolio. It's not. No, it's right. Balance is everything, right? Trimming off the top, discipline. And I know how to do that. That's hard, but I know how to do it. Apple, up today. Can you believe it? What a day we've had today. Can you believe it? I feel like we've gone into battle today. Really, I feel like we've gone into battle today. Robinhood market's down today at 5%. We've seen that improve. It's been like a war today. Does everybody else feel like that? Does everybody else feel like they've been to a war today? I feel drained. Yeah, I feel that today. Mind you, Seb, that might have something to do with the fact we had a 5-hour show this morning. A 5-hour show of trading, investing, emotional turmoil, people going bankrupt, people can't pay their bills, people getting margined. I mean, Johnson & Johnson, I am so pleased with this that I kept on doubling down. I'm just down 2%, and you might go, well, why are you excited about being down 2%? Down 2%. I was down 4, 5, 6%. Yeah, 5 hours is long. It is. Google. Oh, Microsoft. Sadly, I sold my position of Microsoft. I've got nothing left there right now. Meta. SoFi. Huge discounts today. Down 5%. It's now down 1%. So I was down 10% this morning. You got to have limits. You can't just keep buying and buying and buying. I mean, has anybody got a bottomless pit of money here? I haven't. PayPal. I sold my positions there. Rolls-Royce. I made $8 this morning on Rolls-Royce. Remember that? Bought at 82, 83. Sold it at 86. So 85, whatever it was. I'd like to do it again. Anyway, Walmart today up 10% now. Target up nearly 10%. Tesco looking good. Sorry, what am I saying? That's me being tired. Tesco not looking good. Down 7% right now. That's very, very low. Look at that. In fact, that is below. Ooh, right at the bottom of their cycle. 882. Yeah, below their cycle. That hasn't happened in 5 years. Tesco in serious trouble with the share price there. But I'm not buying any more. Wow, right at the bottom. But Tesco's the biggest supermarket in the UK. It's not going anywhere, is it? I mean, it really isn't. Down 7% today. What a discount that is. Does anyone know when the ex-dividend date is? Does anyone know when the ex-dividend date is for... can someone find out for me, please? Can one of my researchers find out when the ex-dividend date is for Tesco's? When is the ex-dividend date? When can we last buy in to get dividends? It's 4.73. It's a very good dividend. When is the ex-dividend date? That is seriously low. That's the lowest price. 52-week low, 8.36. Yep. Can someone find out for me? October 13th. Really? Tesco? It's a Tesco value stock. Tesco value stock. I like it. Logan Pizza. October 13th. October 13th. Okay. 88 review. Buy. From 7% to 3.5%. There we go. I bought some more Tesco. Tesco is like Walmart in the UK. Everybody's got Tesco. Tesco isn't going anywhere. I don't care how expensive food gets. People got to eat, right? People got to eat, and they pay a really good dividend. Tesco would be a great buy at the moment going into busy period. Yeah. I have bought that. I have halved my position. Very happy, yeah. And it's got one of the best dividends. Look, 4.73. It's got a top dividend. Is Twitch on? Twitch should be on. Let me refresh. Hang on. Twitch might not be on. Let me check. No, I'll fix it. Thank you ever so much, Mike. Oh, hang on a minute. No. Live. Yeah, I got, just realised that. Hang on. Doesn't matter about that. But it does matter about... that. Twitch. Oh my gosh, yes. Can't believe I just did that. Thank you very much, Mike, for letting me know. Right. Thank you very much. An error occurred. Please try later. I think we fixed. Okay. Is Twitch working now? Yeah, we're working now. Great. So I've just bought more Tesco and taken my average down there. So there we go. I'm down $54. So October 15th. Right, there we go. Long day, Martin. Rough day trading. Very, very difficult today. Tesco would be a great buy. I agree. Coming up to Christmas. 35% of Brits who have seen an increase in their cost of living have cut spending on food and essentials, according to a recent Office of National Security studies. Totally. But you've got to eat. You've got to eat. I mean, Tesco is going to still sell food. It doesn't matter how bad the world gets. You might not want to fly on rockets and buy new cars, but you're damn right gonna buy some flipping jam and bread from the supermarket, right? I mean, simple as that. Good evening, Alicia. Long day, tough. Yes, indeed. Do you see this affecting companies like Tesco's? Well, of course, their profits are going to go down. But the thing is with Tesco, it's a dividend stock. It's a dividend stock, and it's secular. People do it. People trade on it for the dividend. So to get it at this price now is the right thing to do. I mean, I've got an average, a very low price now. I mean, it will go up to $12, $13. It does every time. Ask my wife, Leah. Hey, Leah, do you like Tesco's? Tesco's a good company, isn't it? See? Ask my wife what she thinks of Tesco's. There you go. Now shall I ask my wife, should I spend $10 million on Tesco's? Let's see what she says to that. Hey, Leah, shall I spend $10 million on shares? I bet she'll have a different answer. Hi, Marty, and hi, Patricia, Alicia. Wish you'd tell my wife. Wish you'd tell my wife that Logan Pizza. Wish you'd tell my wife that Logan Pizza. What's that? Do you see it affecting companies like Tesco? Wish you'd tell my wife that, Logan. Yeah, right. She's still buying stuff from Tesco's, right? There you go. So I think that's a buy. There you go. I bought it anyway. It was today $8.36. What did I just buy it for? Did I just buy it? Did I just pay too much for it? $8.41. Yeah, I paid $8.41. It was as low as $8.36. Whatever. It's neither here or there. But yeah, I could have got it for $8.36 if I'd paid more attention. But there you go. You can do everything. Wife knows best. There you go. Wife knows best, says Stephen. Afternoon market all. Nice bounce from the low. Some good opportunities for some scalps. Hey, Peter, how's your day? There we go. Peter Wilson. Peter Wilson. Hang on a minute. Are you the guy? Hang on a minute. Peter Wilson. It could be you. Someone came in and is a gold member. Became a gold member. I thought it was Ian Wilson. Is that you, Peter, with a different account name or something? Hang on, no, it can't be, can it? Because your name would be the same. It can't be. Or maybe it's Peter Wilson. Let me just check. Somebody came in yesterday, subscribed to the channel, and became a bronze member and immediately upgraded to gold. And obviously, I want to thank them, appreciate them, and give them all their perks and benefits. Because as a gold member, you get some very exclusive benefits, which I need to do manually. Let me have a look. It is it's Ian Jackson. I beg your pardon, Ian Jackson. Ian Jackson. What? I recognise the thumbnail, though. I recognise the thumbnail from someone in here. I think someone's changed their name to confuse me. Anyway, Tristan Tales. Let's scroll down. Hi, Tom. Hi, Alicia. No, not me. I send super. You did. And thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the music. Thank you very much. I like manual benefits. Manual benefits. Yeah. All right. No, Ian Jackson's not in here. He's a motorcyclist by the looks of things. Anyway, getting back to where we were this morning. Let's have a little look now. So, the overall portfolio. Let me revisit it in a second. Here's my overall portfolio. A bounce, no, most certainly. A slight recovery, definitely. There it is. Was an opportunity to get some cheaper stocks. Now then, let's have a poll. Very, very important poll. Do we think tomorrow will be worse? Do you think tomorrow is going to be a sell-off Friday? What do you think? Do you think tomorrow will be worse than today? If it is, I'm getting a very early night. Because I am bloody whacked out, I tell you. Do you think tomorrow will be worse? Anyway, there we go. Let's have a quick look. Let's see where we are on subscribers. 710, 711. There we go. We gained another one back today. We started 711 this morning, so we didn't gain very much at all today. It's been very, very tough. Anyway, let's go through and have a quick look at where we are right now. Vanguard S&P is recovering. Hello, Paddy. Virgin Galactic. Let's get drunk tomorrow. Shall we? We'll have a vote. We'll have a vote in a minute. Yes, I am good. Good lives. Good. How are you, Alicia? Maybe we do that tomorrow. It's the cash prize draw in the morning. Has everybody entered? Has everybody watched the video for the morning? Has everybody watched? Has everybody here who signed up for the newsletter got their email and entered the video? Wise words. Do you know what? The more I think about it in life, I think alcoholics are dead right. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't take drugs, I don't do anything. But the more I think about it, I think, you know what? Spend your life drunk. It's probably a brilliant idea. Isn't it? I mean, it probably is. That's financial advice right there. That's financial advice. So anyway, just spend the whole show drunk. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Manage your portfolio live. Run a show, 14 screens, 20 platforms while being drunk with all your money in the world on the line. It's probably a very good plan. It's probably a very good plan. What do you think of the Royal Mail as a buy, Martin? The Royal Mail has been up and down this week with strikes new. Well, we're always going to need to send stuff. But the Royal Mail, I don't know. Obviously, I'm the wrong person to ask. It's a good dividend, probably, yeah. I'm the wrong person to ask now because, obviously, I live in America right now. I've still got my home in England. I'm coming back in England in October, as you know. Hoping to meet as many of you as possible, by the way, in Cornwall. I hope many of you more will come along to that event. We're going more online, aren't we? And Amazon, I buy everything from Amazon, and Amazon deliver everything. Amazon deliver stuff themselves. I don't know about the Royal Mail anymore. I don't know. It's proprietary in the fact that the Royal Mail is the Royal Mail. No one else can be the Royal Mail. But, FedEx and UPS, anyone can do what they do, right, I guess. I mean, I'm just talking in basic terms. I don't know if it's one for me. It doesn't change the world enough, does it? It doesn't grow enough. It's not, if anything, it's going to contract over time. I can't see it exploding like an S-curve like Tesla or Virgin Galactic or SpaceX or stuff like that. It all comes down to, it's not whether you think a stock's worth investing in. It's the fact that, is it the best thing to invest in? If you've got so much money, what do you want to put your money in a place that makes the most money, right? Have you got more growth in Virgin Galactic and SpaceX and Royal Mail? I would say so, wouldn't you? I mean, don't get me wrong. If you are of a certain age and you've got loads of money, you like market profit, you're rich, you're richer than Midas, you've got all your money, you don't need S-curves, you don't need growth, you don't need drama, you don't need excitement. You just go, hey, I want 20% a year, I'll just stick it in the most secure dividend stocks there is. And Royal Mail isn't going to go anywhere, is it? Royal Mail isn't going to go anywhere. So if it returns you a dividend and you are of a certain age, I don't know, let's imagine you're 60 years of age, 65 years of age, 70 years of age, you've got a pot of money, Royal Mail pays you a good dividend, it isn't going anywhere, it's never going to not, it's never, I mean, it's like, it's solid, isn't it? So on that basis, yeah, that's the way I'd look at it. But everyone's different. I'm not at that position right now. I think I can't remember. I'm retired. You're retired from drinking now. Meet next year in New Mexico, space. That is the next thing we're doing. The next campaign will be to be in New Mexico, SPCE. This is Virgin Orbit in England at the space station, and next year we're meeting at the space station in New Mexico. That's right. So, you know, that's the next one. So glad to hear this, Stephen. I'm quite well. Thank you so much for asking. Hi, Stephen. Good evening. All right. So, okay, everybody. I know what you're waiting for. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. We got 26 watching, 16 likes. You're making me work for it. Why do you do this to me? Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said it, chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said it, chiggy, 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 pow, pow. I want 25 likes. Real Satoshi, please stand up. Say, please stand up. Say, please stand up. We're the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. On the Day Trader Show, you got Paddy, Alicia, Stephen, Nadinsky, Craig, Peter Maycock. I just made that up. I need to work that out. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Would you smash the like button? Smash, smash, smash. Smash the like button. Go, go, go. Come on. Stop messing around. Stop making me have to do this every day. What's going on? End the timer. End the clock. End the music. Yeah, blow the horn. There it is. Right, okay. Where was we? We were doing something sensible before any of that. I don't know what we were doing. Does anybody remember what we were doing? No idea. No idea what we were doing. No. Does anybody know what we were doing before that nonsense? Probably not. Right, okay, there's the overall portfolio, just down a bit, but we have been rising all afternoon. What? So, do we think tomorrow will be worse? 65% of you said yeah. Oh, by the way, oh yeah, Cornwall. What about Cornwall? Yeah, we're all meeting in Cornwall, right? 15th October. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. I had a poll this morning. You all said I shouldn't buy it, including Market Profit. You were all saying no, you shouldn't buy it. Well, if you said no, which was about 65-70% of you, wrong. You're all bloody wrong. Every one of you. Look at that. It's gone up again. I've got an average of 607. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. There you go. So, get out of it. It's going lower. Oh, man. Can it go any lower? Yes, it can. Virgin Galactic, 575. Virgin Orbit. You said I shouldn't buy Virgin Orbit. I said yes. You said yes. I love it. Drone Art comes in. I said yes. I want everyone to know I said yes. He's sitting in his house now. Where are you from, Drone Art? Drone Art Aerial Services. Where are you? Where are you in the world, Drone Art? You know you should be a member, because if you were a member, you'd be on my YouTube channel. Look, I'd put you here. I'd put you here as one of a featured member. Look, featured members, if you're a silver, look, stick you here. Because you're a YouTuber. I can guarantee you're going to get more subscribers. Especially if you make me a manager. I'll make a video for you. Upload it to your channel. Promote it and everything else. And get everyone to watch it. We do that on Fridays for our silver members. I randomly pick someone. But it can't be you. Because you're not a member. He's from the UK. I said yes. He said. Whereabouts in the UK? Be more specific. I'm okay with my own marketing. Hey, this isn't marketing, mate. I don't believe in marketing. Marketing's rubbish. I believe in engagement with real people. We're talking about, funnily enough, I can make videos. Funnily enough, I believe you can make videos. But what I'm saying, I have got people on my channel here, right, that had a handful of subscribers, a handful of views, who had some viral success on their channels. These are all my members, right? Because what I do is I get everyone to watch the video. You know, as a UK YouTuber, you've probably got the majority of your people in the UK. Well, the highest CPM rate is Australia, and then second, and then UK is about 10th down the list. So if you can get people in the US to watch your stuff, right, which is what I can do, get everyone to do, you will start earning more money on your CPM rate. And that is a fact. So ask any of my members. I did that for them. And, I'm not trying to sell you it because people pay me $500 to make them a management video. I do it for free for my members. And you can be a member from a couple of bucks. I do it because it's what this channel is about, helping people, right? Anyway. So what happens is, you'll see it tomorrow. If you watch tomorrow, you'll see what happens. And you'll go, oh yeah, that's a good idea. Because what we do is, it's not about you can make videos, because I know you can make videos. Of course you can, you're a YouTuber. What I mean is I will get everybody to watch the video and share. Yeah, but the thing is, Drone Art, you say we're here for the trading. What we're all about here is we're trying to grow and become the best YouTube channels, which is the music and this one, the TikTok and the Twitch, together. So we get more people. We raise more money for charities. We've raised a lot of money for charities. We help everybody. We become a really strong community that we can really move the markets and so on. That's why I dedicate 10 hours a day to my life to this for 14 months. Helping people is everything. It's not about what I can get out of it. It's not about what I can just trade and make money. It's about how I can help people, and those people will make me bigger, and in return, I make them bigger. And it's not because they help me. It's because we help each other, and because we want to. That's the point. So we're going to get back onto Virgin. He's quite a cheeky little bugger, isn't he? This drone art guy, he's like a bloody, whatchamacallit, he's like a spaceman with his yellow helmet on. Look, he's got like a yellow spaceman's helmet on, and he's coming on here being cheeky. I don't need your videos. I'm only here for the trading. Are we going to get back to Virgin Galactic? Hello, sir. May we see your all-time P&L? You may. But you're brand new, so the first thing you got to do is get to know everybody first. Just come on in saying, I want to see all your money from beginning to end. I'm just going to come in and say, I want to see all your money from beginning to end without saying hello to anybody. I like your banter. Well, yeah, I hope so, mate. Funny. It is funny. It's like a little spaceman's helmet, isn't it? I thought the funniest bit was when he said, are we getting back to Virgin Galactic? You know, that's what I come for. You know, it's all about me. Can we get back to talking about what you could do is just set up your own YouTube channel, and you could talk about Virgin Galactic all day long to yourself if you want. Oh, bloody hell. Right, 50-50 for tomorrow. 11 say yes. I'll take that. In other words, no one knows. I love when we have a poll when it's 50-50. It means no one knows a damn thing, which is at least honest. No one does. Whose show is this? Peter Maycott? You know whose show it is. It's not the little man with the little red helmet, little yellow helmet on. It's not him. It's not him. You know whose show it is. I, Bill, Inspire 2. I have got, guess what, Mr. Drone Art and Bill? I used to have a Phantom 4, and I've currently got a, what have I got, Bill? You know what it is. And I flew it, one, over the Grand Canyon. I flew it over the Grand Canyon. I also flew it over Las Vegas, filmed the strip in Las Vegas. Also flew it off the back of a cruise ship. Oh, yes. You want to talk about drone footage? I got drone footage. I've got drone footage. I've got some really good drone footage. That'll put all you droners to shame. Oh, yes. Mavic Pro, that's the one I got. Right, Virgin Galactic. I bought it this morning. My average is now 607. Virgin Orbit, 339. Tesla, moving up. Rivian, moving up. Lucid, great. I doubled up this morning. I have the Mini 2 Air S2 and the Mavic 3 along with the Skydio 2. Landing it back on a cruise ship would be messy. No, it worked. I landed it in my hand. No messiness here. On a Carnival cruise ship and a Windstar as well. Private yacht. Oh, yeah. Kiro, where do you come from? Yeah, let's get to know Kiyoro. Let's get to know Kiyoro. I will happily share with you my entire portfolio, my entire everything. But I'm going to make him work for it though, because you know, we got the best family in the world here on YouTube, and you got to come in and be nice. You got to come in and be nice. I will give everything to everyone. There's my portfolio for the week, for the day. There's the week. All right. There's the month. There's the 3 months. He's thinking, oh, he's going to do it. He's going to do it. That's as far as I'm going to get for now. That's as far as I'm going to get for now, because you got to be nice. I share everything, Kidoro, so don't worry about that. TikTok. He came over from TikTok. Houston, Texas. I'm in Dallas, Texas myself. This is my TV studio here. Martin, join the drone family for extra bucks. Show your videos. Show my videos. What do you want to see? Do you want to see me flying over? Do you want to see me flying over? I mean, loads of it. Where do you want to see me flying over? Drone. Have I got drone? Drone. What should I do? Drone. Let's have a look. Where have I flown? Drone. Las Vegas. Shall I do Las Vegas first? Las Vegas. Bum. Las Vegas. Here's one of my videos. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. That's not one. Bear with me. We got droners here. They're droning away. Show more. Here's the Grand Canyon. Here's a little clip. Here's a little bit of my Grand Canyon. I'll just show you a couple little clips. Droner, yeah, droning all the time. Let's have a look. Right, here's a bit of the Grand Canyon. There's a bit of the Grand Canyon. Yeah, I'll show you some more. Let me have a look. Oops, a daisy. I haven't been in this folder for a very long time, and I can't even remember where to look. Here's my videos, is it? Just having a quick look. Just bear with me. Oh, yeah, I also flew up the Hollywood sign as well. Yeah, here's my Hollywood sign. I flew up to the Hollywood sign as well. That was pretty fun. That got me in all kinds of bother, that one did. You can't film the Hollywood sign. Why not? What's wrong with doing that then? Yeah, people didn't like that one. Yeah, people didn't like me filming the Hollywood sign. I tell you what, they didn't like that. Got in all sorts of bother. Anyway, I'll come back to that another time, because I need to go through it and have a quick look. But anyway, I have let's have a look. World Prime Time. I had Niagara Falls, very nice indeed. I have Prime, and yet still get ads. Forgot why I don't use this anymore. Wild Prime Time. I have Prime and yet still get ads. Forgot why I don't use this anymore. Wild Prime Time. Well, the reason is, if you subscribe to me with your Amazon Prime, right? Okay, what you get, it's free using your gaming, of course. You get every month, which is tomorrow, every first Friday of the month, I do a cash prize giveaway, and all my subscribers on Twitch are in a free prize draw, and I give a cash prize to my subscribers for free, absolutely for free. It costs you nothing at all, and you just subscribe to me. There you go. You'll be in my draw tomorrow. I do it every single Friday, and as I get more, the prizes get better, right? Martin will single-handedly start World War III in the future. How am I going to do that then? We'll single-handedly start World War III. How am I going to do that then? How am I going to do that? LOL, the dinosaur. This is Church of Logic. Are we good, mate? Right. About bloody time you sorted that out. Yeah, we are good. You've just subscribed to me. You'll be in the draw tomorrow. There you go. You watch me on YouTube, have a subscription on Twitch, and you get free money. There you go. There you go. TikTok, is you going to be on my... is Bitcoin crashing? It's going to. I get so many people criticize me on TikTok saying, you keep saying you keep saying Bitcoin's going to crash. You don't know what you're talking about. People like... I tell you what, it's really ridiculous. People, particularly on TikTok, very much on TikTok, very angry people. People buy Bitcoin like it's a fan club, like it's who knows who, like it's my best mate. I've never in my life seen ignorance and craziness like it. Bitcoin doesn't know you own it. Neither does Virgin Galactic or Microsoft for that matter, but no stock knows you own it, right? Simple fact, it doesn't care if you lose all your money or you become a millionaire. It doesn't even know you exist. It doesn't even know if itself exists. If Bitcoin went to zero tomorrow and everyone lost their money, no one would care less. I would if you're a member of this family, because we are a family every day, and I would see the pain and I would feel it and I'd be really upset with you, right? But no one on TikTok or YouTube would care, or Bitcoin or any brokerage or any of the miners would care if you lost all your money. I'm telling you right now, you need to understand very clearly that Bitcoin is not a fan club. And I'm sorry, but so many people have Bitcoin or Ethereum, less of Ethereum actually, it's more Bitcoin and certainly Shiba, they're like in a fan club. And it's like, they're like worshipping it like it's a god. They'll like kneel down before the statue of Bitcoin. Bitcoin will love me when I'm old. No, it won't. It doesn't care less. It's just a number on a screen that'll take all your money, or it might make you rich. You know, it's a flip of a coin. So treat it as an investment or gambling, but understand what it is. Don't think it's this thing that loves you. It couldn't care less. Unbelievable. Yeah, I can't believe that some people think Bitcoin is like the Holy Grail or something. It's incredible. Yeah, it is. TikTok is full of ignorance, but there are some people on TikTok, like maybe 2% will come from TikTok to YouTube. They'll take part in the family. They'll be in our giveaways. They'll be part of the family. They'll contribute. But most people on TikTok, no, are just scrolling through with nothing better to do while sat on the toilet. That's the reality of it. They're sat on the toilet and with nothing to do. That's the reality of it. Anyway, they're a fan club, makes no difference in the big scheme of things. Their fan club makes no difference. None of it makes any difference. No matter what I say, anyone says, nothing makes a difference. I buy £5 of each crypto and that's it. I miss Bitcoin, but I treat that £5 like a lottery ticket. That's exactly what you should do, Dronar. I'm 100% behind you there. Totally. When my accountant explained it years ago, you remember an example I give of the pyramid shape? Not a pyramid scheme, but the pyramid. Okay? At the bottom of the pyramid, the widest part is your house. Your assets that you hold, you need, you live in. Your house. Most money in the house. Then you go up, and as you go up, the amount gets less and the risk gets higher. Until right on the top, you put a lottery ticket. And just below your lottery ticket, you might put 2, 3, 4% on crypto. That's it. That is that's an educated, balanced approach. You are exposed to crypto. And you understand it, hopefully. I mean, does anyone understand what a lottery ticket is? More people do research into their lottery tickets than they do into crypto. As a fact, they know exactly what the lottery ticket is. They know exactly where the money goes. They know exactly how much they can earn or how much they can lose, $1 or whatever you buy. More, I would imagine more people know more about their lottery ticket than their crypto, if I'm perfectly honest. Anyway. I want Bitcoin to crash on these fanboys. Houston, Texas. I love it. Houston, Texas, Joe, he's got a good attitude. I want it to crash on the fanboys. There you go. Yes, Houston, true. Grand Canyon is one of the most amazing, stunning places on earth. It is. I've been there, flown my drone, I love it. I'm from TikTok today. Nor's, there you go. Nor's, or he's one of the 2%, 5%, whatever from TikTok. There you go. He's one of the real people. And he's been twice today, so that shows you he's a real person. I'm a real boy. Nors is a real person from Norway. Remember I told you I love Norway. I've done loads of gigs there. Houston, Texas, Crash Coin. It's what you believe in. There you go. But how can you believe in something you don't understand, though? You have to understand it. This Bitcoin revolution still hasn't happened. Nerds, he says. Till it goes up at 300%, and then you'll say, I wish I put more in. No, I won't. No, I won't. No, I will never, ever say that. Because if my money is not in something, this is the point. Market Profit could say that, because all his money is sat on the side in cash. Every penny of mine is invested. Every penny, other than $2,000. Everything I have, and then some, is invested. You saw me today sell Enphase Energy, which I love, solar, and you saw me buy Lucid today with that money. I didn't put that money in the pub or having a holiday. I took the money I'd made from Enphase Energy and I put it into Lucid because I felt there was more opportunity today. I needed the money and found bigger dips and I reinvested it. So my money isn't sitting on the side going, please put me into Bitcoin, I'm getting left behind. It's invested, earning money somewhere else. So I won't be upset if it goes up 300%. I have about 30 in my wallet, but it just sits there. Fair enough. Drone art, very good. I like it. Stephen Rose says, evening all, 30 different cryptos. I do believe that nearly 90% of all the cryptos will be rinsed out in time. They'll all disappear and you'll be left with a handful of good stuff. That's all you need. You don't need all these thousands of different things. It confuses the situation. And all it is we've got lots of greedy people who think they can con and manipulate people, like Michael Saylor, by the way, who hasn't paid his taxes and all the rest of it. They can make money out of idiots, and it's very easy. It's very easy to convince people that you know what you're talking about, and we proved it on this show, didn't we? You remember that? You remember the poll that we did, where we polled everybody, and most people said they had no idea what Michael Saylor was saying, and then of the same people, they'd all gone out and bought Bitcoin. We're all influenced by what we see, and then whether you like it or not, it's human behavior. I'm afraid some coins will be here to stay. Some will, but most will be gone. First set goals and meet your goals and risk your money. My goals are met and now retired. Lovely. Stephen Lewandowski, I love his attitude. I'm all done. Like Market Profit, totally different attitude when you've made your money. Everyone has a different attitude when they make their money. Love how you just throw market out there. I love how you just throw market out there like that. I just tell the truth how I see it. That's it. That's it. I'm not trying to, I don't think about what I say to get views or ratings. I just tell you as I see it. I back up what I say. I do what I say what I do, and whatever. You all know that anyway. Caden Youngquist, what's going on? Our youngest investor, our youngest YouTuber. Hi, Paddy. I am like Market Profit. I have money too. There you go. Exactly the same. You can see the pattern. It's all a matter of cycles. We've explained that before. When you come in the market, when you've been in the market for 5 years, when you've been in the market for 20, 30 years, when you come out the other end, everyone has the same cycle of the same thing. No one's unique. No one's clever than anybody else. No one knows more than anybody else. Well, everyone has the opportunity to know the same stuff. Whether you take that information, that's up to you. But anyway. Instead of wasting 100 a week on lotteries, I put it on the stock now. Lotteries, you wake up with nothing. Stock, you're still in there with something. Maybe less, but they'll be back there. That's very good, Bill. I like that. The Church of Logic stocks from real companies are different than digital casino coin that you can't even buy a candy bar with in the real world. Everyone should be a nudist when they are... There you go. Market profit. This is what you should do. Forget your money. Hang your money. Not important. Everyone should be a nudist when they retire. What is it with you and this constant nudism? Nudism. I tell you, we have the most diverse portfolio of people on our show than I could ever imagine to meet. I mine crypto, $500 a month. Can't wait for the bull run. Never bought Bitcoin, William Wallace says. Buy stuff with my crypto card all the time. I like it. Peter Wilson, buy me a Big Mac with crypto then. Oh, don't say that. Paul B will say you can. Paul B, our crypto expert, will tell you we can. I get 2 to 4% cash back on my Bitcoin on my card. It makes everyone laugh when I talk about it. See, he's a bloody entertainer. See, market profit, at the end of the day, hasn't got any money. He lives in a tent. He knows nothing about the stock market. He just knows what's entertaining. He's probably this 8-year-old kid sat in a tent in the middle of a field. All he's got is a mobile phone. He texts in and says, you should all buy this and the end of the world's just an 8-year-old kid. Market profit, he's an entertainer. Right, Lucid. What an amazing day on Lucid. I doubled my position when it was all the way down and 3.5% today, which remember is 11% on the week, by the way. I was something like 12% down. I'm only 3% down now. That, to me, is a good day. You're on to me. I know. I've sussed you. I've sussed your market profit. We've all sussed him. From now on, we will know market profit as the 8-year-old kid in a tent in a field with his phone on Snapchat. Oh, brilliant. There you go. Right, look at our overall portfolio. Wow, could we have a green day? Could we go green? I cannot believe I've spoke all this time without running a commercial break. People need to remind me. You're very bad. I sit here and earn absolutely nothing. I don't know why I do it. Back in 10 seconds. Market profit started World War II. Yep, and I'm starting World War III. We've already had that prediction. We've confirmed it. It's a well-known fact. It's a well-known fact. Market profit. Yep, you're on to me, he says. I know. Vanguard S&P 500. Oh my gosh. Can you believe it? The S&P has turned green and it was down today, 1.19. And by the way, that's a big amount for the S&P in a day. So I would have loved to have bought more today. I didn't. I decided to buy other high growth stocks. But tomorrow, if it dips again, I'll take some profits and buy the S&P. That's where your money should be going to balance out all this high growth that I have on my portfolio. Anyway, every time I see market, it reminds me of the guy telling everyone you can see the Twin Towers burning on the $20 bill. Oh yeah, that's right. If you look very closely, he's got the Illuminati image. He probably is. He's probably the youngest member of the Illuminati. They allow 8-year-olds in the Illuminati, by the way. I know, because I was in it once. Oops, did I say that? Yeah, I was in it at once. When I was 8 years of age, I was in the Illuminati, and then I left. I got tired of it. At 9 years of age, I thought it was time to get out. So I got out. Tesla. Tesla is up 0.49. Green today. My gosh, are we going to have a green day today? Are we going to have a green day? So what is this? It looks like, I hate to say this, no one likes doom and gloom, but I try to tell the truth where I see it. What this looks like, having sat here for 14 months, 8 hours a day, 10 hours, 8-year-old Illuminati living in a tent. There we go. What I think is happening now is we're getting a pump, and then because people are making profit and they'll dump it all and it'll all go down again tomorrow. I think that's quite likely. So knowing that, you could take profits on Lucid, for example, which is pumping well, it's not pumping. Let's get that straight. It's up today, but from being 3% down. Be truthful, market profit. Yeah, don't make up any stories. Don't make up any stories. It looks to me quite likely that this could all be dumped in the morning. So you could look at it and go, all right, I can choose my lots I want to sell, and I could actually sell. The bell's gone. There we go. It's just going now. Don't be such a doom and gloomer, Martin. I've always wanted to say that to you. There you go. I'm 49, says. You're 49? No, I reckon you're older than that. From your comments, I think you're older than that. Don't be such a doom and gloomer, Martin. I've always wanted to say that to you. I bet he has. It's just to realise. It's just an observation of the facts as I see them. All right. Look, the moment we hit the bell, we're getting sell-offs. I'm 48. You're not 49 market profit. You're older than me. I bet it. Look at that. Look, everything's selling off in the after hours. What did we have? I'm gonna call the poll, and no, it's nothing, is it? It's virtually a wash right now. I'm 63. Stephen Lewandowski is 63. I would have thought market profit was about 60 from his reactions and his comments. Martin, you couldn't be a day older than 42. I am 53 years of age. I am 53. So, there you go. I am most certainly 53. I have a really good camera. Bank of America to offer 0 down payment mortgages in certain black and Hispanic communities. 66 young. There you go. I'm not going to make jokes out of that, Mike. I'm going to let you just say you're 66. Not going to say I thought you were younger, older, or anything. I'm just going to let you have it, and that's fine. Everyone share your age, by the way. I want everyone's ages, because I'm trying to get everyone's ages. It's all part of the plan, right? I've lulled everyone into a false sense of security. I want everyone to give me their ages, right? Guys, I don't mind telling you, I am bloody exhausted. Today has been very hard. It's been emotional. It's been stressful. I've sold for profits. That's good. I've sold stocks I wanted to hold. Everyone's gone mad now, given their ages. Everyone's gone mad giving their ages out. It's like we've started a thing. Have we started some sort of thing? It's like, have we started some sort of thing? Everyone's sharing their age. What's going on? Instead of a traditional credit score, first-time home buyers will be evaluated based on the history of making timely payments for rent, utilities, phone services, and auto insurance. 19. No, 19. He doesn't know what I'm talking about, does he? He's thinking, what was that? What was that? No, what was that? He doesn't know about the song, does he? Hardcastle. Does anyone know about the song? No, not 19. He was only 19. Vietnam vet. He was only 19. No, 19. No, 19. Have a scotch and an afternoon nap with your beautiful lady, Martin. That's what I'm going to do. Me and Bill. But what you don't realise is at the end of this show, I have to do another half an hour of work to finish off everything in this studio. A lot goes on in this studio. Do you think do you think all this just works? In the morning when all these cameras start moving and focus and lights and beams do you think it all just works? It just works by itself. I barely need to wind it up. Oh, God. Yes, I do. Brickmark does. Yeah, I do. I know how technology works. You press a button. You walk in, it just works. Leah comes in and makes it work. Leah, don't come in here. She doesn't have a clue what goes on in here. This is secret society in here. Remember I told you I was in the Illuminati when I was 8? Yes, I remember that song. Yeah, there you go. Somebody acknowledged what I said there. The rest of you just ignored me. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it if you just ignore me. Don't worry about it. The S&P is up slightly. So just slightly, you think tomorrow is going to be worse than today. I think it's highly likely. Highly likely. And if that's the case, then get ready for it. Angels and demons. No. Angels and demons has nothing to do with Paul Hardcastle 19. Nothing to do with it. Nothing to do with it. A master control panel with one button to turn it all on. No, it doesn't work like that. I thought about that. I've experimented with things like that. Hang on, look, I'm out of focus. Let this camera do its thing. There you go. I'm back in focus again now. I need to be in focus. Makes me look younger. Polestar up 0.87. Arrival. Right, okay, I'm done. I'm done. Is everybody done? Focus. I'm focused. Don't start on me, Mike. Right. So then, before we go, tomorrow morning is the cash prize giveaway. Has everybody watched the video from the newsletter during the week? Have we got anybody in the chat that has not got the newsletter, that does not receive it? If so, say in the chat right now and I'll give you the link. If not, I'm not going to bother giving it you, because why should I give money to you for free? I don't have to, do I? If you want it, you've got to say, can I have the link? Martin, what makes you feel tomorrow might be worse? Because I've sat here for 14 months and I've seen the patterns. And right now, we have had a sell-off, and people then bought back with the very intention, because if you buy it back, the stock pumps a bit, you can sell it off to make a profit, and then it drops again. So my opinion is, because today, and because we are in a very, very aggressive bear market, we are losing money every day. The stocks are going down every day. They went down, people bought in, and it's rallied above where it started. Look, it's rallied above where it started, and we've made profits. We've turned the losses into profits, which means we've set them up to be sold again, to be dumped in the morning again. Remember, that's how people make money. It's how we all make money. But imagine if you're a big institution and you're buying millions of dollars of stocks at a time, billions of dollars, you know, the stock only has to move 1 cent, 2 cents, and you can make all the money you ever need to spend in your lifetime. So for me and you guys, you know, we need 10, 20% to kind of make some money. The institutions don't. They need less than 1% to make their money. So if we push the stocks back up again in the morning, dump them again, then they make a lot of money. And that's how it works. It's very hard to beat the system. You can't beat the system. You can only play it for what's best for you. But it's difficult, right? So anyway, I'm glad with my positions today. It's exhausted me. I'm worn out, but we've done the right thing. Now, tomorrow is the last show. There is no show on Monday. It's Bank Holiday Monday in America. Tomorrow, remember, it's the last day tomorrow. There is no show on Monday. So join us tomorrow for the cash prize giveaway. We've got 2. If you are a subscriber to Twitch right now, you will be in that one. And we've also got, of course, the giveaway on YouTube. Now, some of you have said, I can't be bothered to enter the competition. It's only a few bucks. I can't be bothered. Please do, because I am trying to promote the channel. I'm giving away what I make, but I want everyone to watch the video, so perhaps I'll actually make a profit on the giveaway. I've never done that up to now, because we don't get enough views on it. So please open the newsletter and do yourself a favour and the channel and me and watch the video for the morning. That way you can be in the draw and it helps the channel grow. And you never know, I might even make more than I give away. And that would be an ideal. At the moment, I always lose. So it would be great if everyone watched the video. That's why we do it at the end of the day. Oh, wow. I've just gone from 711 to 714. I'll take that. I'll take that. Thank you very much. Where has Rolls-Royce ended? Stephen Rowe. Let's have a look for you. You are a member, so let me review the stock. And then, it's been going sideways all day. I think, just like the rest of the market, it will sell off in the morning. I bought it here, sold it here. I will buy it again in the morning and do it again. I think that's what's going to happen. I think that's what's going to happen. We will see in the morning if that is what comes out. Anyway, day trader of the day. Let's bring everybody up to date. Before I do that, could I ask everyone today if you'd like to help me and help the channel? Just before the show went live, I don't know if anybody noticed, just before the show went live, I put out 3 videos. I put out 3 videos just before the show went live. Let me just refresh it and share with you. If you look on the home channel of the video, scroll down and look on the uploads, you will see the videos I put out. Let me just have a quick look. Let me show you. My computer is really struggling now. Doing such long shows really does take its toll. Right, okay, here we go. Right, so look just below the video, and you will see in the upload section, see here, look, I posted Virgin Galactic community, or about the new Virgin Galactic community. I also did the live poll, live trading, and the Rolls-Royce scalp trading. So if you could watch it through and leave a comment, it'd be really, really good. And like the video, I'd appreciate that very much indeed. And make sure that you check your newsletters. Now, this is the email you need to look in your junk folder for the newsletter. If you've not yet watched it, it was sent out to you on Sunday, and it'll go out again on Sunday. But tomorrow is our cash prize giveaway. We have 2. We have the YouTube and we have the Twitch, remember. And remember, even if it's not much money to you, enter the draw because it helps everyone if you do. The prize money can go up and the channel grows up, and I really appreciate it. All right, day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. Let's bring everybody live. Press the live button. Make it go from grey to red. And let's bring everybody up to date, shall we, with the day trader of the day. Here we go. Okay. Go to your main portfolio. Go on your day position. Go on your main position here. I'm down 1%. Down 1%. I'll take that as a win. I've made profits. I've lowered my averages. I'll regard that as a day. That's okay. Down 1%. We'll call it that. We're very close, me and you, Seb Dean, by the looks of things. Once our first members post, I will give a 1 minute on the clock. And Seb Dean's already there, so here we go. Okay. Got Seb Dean down 1.2. Down 1%. Any advances on that? Down 0.08. Red Friday, I think that's the trend. Day off Monday. Green next week, I hope. Here come the scores. We've got Stephen. Brickmark down 1.58. Ryan Carlson. Hey, nice to see you, Ryan. You're very quiet in the background. I like that. You're not annoying me like Market Profit. You're just quietly in the background. Down 0.58. Hey, Mike, that's pretty good. It looks like Stevens won again. It's becoming quite a regular on our show now. He's becoming a top member. His badge will turn gold soon. It won't take that long. You'll be surprised how quickly it comes round. But anyway, Stephen, congratulations to you. Stephen is our winner today. I don't think anyone has done better than that. Yay, Stephen. Very, very good. So let's give him a thank you very much indeed. Thank you for your honest trades. Appreciate that very much. Hang on, there we go. And a thumbs up. And here come the sound effects. Here we go. Very, very nice indeed. There we go. Congratulations, Stephen. Good score. Peter Wilson was down. Church, I know. We saw yesterday. We saw today. We saw last week. How much Church? Yeah, a lot. Church is really struggling. And we understand that. Okay. Now then, folks. That's it until the morning. Please go and watch the Virgin Galactic videos if you can. Make sure that you've watched your the sound effects I was ha about. What was that? Sound effects. What was that? What was ha? What? I don't get it. Down 1.5. It will turn, bro. Yeah, it'll get there. Just got to hold. We're all in the same situation. And don't beat yourself up. But equally, don't congratulate yourself too much either. You know, you congratulate yourself if you've worked hard in life, and you should. If you're a lazy person and done nothing, then you deserve nothing. If you've worked hard, you deserve something. But don't congratulate yourself too much, because most of it's luck. Most of it's luck. Most people, it comes down to luck. None of us know which are the best stocks to buy. Not really. We don't know. We don't know that Virgin Galactic's going to be $1 million. We've got no idea where it's going. We don't know. We believe, we invest, we make educated decisions. But some people get it right and some people get it wrong. Some people work hard. Some people make YouTube videos and get 1 million views without doing anything, just by turning on their phones. Some people sit here 10 hours a day and grow steadily every day. Everyone's different. It's not because you're better or worse than anyone else. Everyone is in the same situation. Everyone... it's 50-50 whether you end up with a healthy body. You can exercise all you like, but if you have cancer or if you have COVID, there's no fault of your own. It just happens. So don't congratulate yourself too much, and don't beat yourself up too much either. We're all the same. We're all trying to do the right thing, and we're all on this planet for a while, and then we're not. Graham Stepan is not even in the market. I can tell. He's not even in the market. There you go. He doesn't need to be, does he? He makes $1 million a video. Well, no, he doesn't. He makes 10 grand a video. Makes 10 grand a video. Doesn't need to be in the market, does he? Again, same as Market Profit. You don't need to be if you've got loads of money and you've already made it. I can tell. There you go. But I will tell you that Church of Logic, Graham Stepan has been predicting that China is going to collapse several times, predicted certain dates and got it wrong every single time. And I've watched his videos, and I don't see any of his fans actually criticizing the fact he keeps getting it wrong. Remember, I said to you, people will forget what you get wrong, as long as you get something right, and that's it. And that's what happens, and people do, and that's how it works. Graham Stepan can say anything, and people just keep coming back for more. Jason, sorry I missed tonight, just got back. Slight rally saved me, but still down on the day. Nice bounce on Virgin I've seen. Yes, indeed. I bought right at the bottom here when the majority of people in my chat said don't do it. Most people said don't. I think it was 65% said don't do it. And I decided I've now got 1,500. And that might become what I hold. That might become now what I hold. So there we go. I think we're done. We'll see you back in the morning. Please do go and check your inboxes from last week to make sure that you've entered the competition for the morning. Please do make sure that you watch the video that I just posted today on Virgin Galactic. But that's it from me. Unless anybody wants to make a request for a bit of piano music or a bit of Eric Clapton at the end or a bit of Elton John or a bit of Les Miserables, Bring Him Home, or Charlie Chaplin, Smile, anything like that. Nope, nobody up for that. 40 pound on my position opened earlier. £40 up on my position opened earlier. Nice one, Jason. Congratulations to you. Goodbye, says Seb Dean. Good night, Martin. Everyone's saying good night. So let's do the credits. I slayed the bot. Well, we'll find out, shall we? Don't get too carried away. Don't get too carried away. You might not have done. Here we go. Let's bring on the happy music. Roll the credits. We're out of here. Everyone's done. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's have a good night. Relax. Relax and sit down. And hang on a minute. The dashboard's all changed. You say roll the credits. You say roll the credits, but I can't find the roll the credits. This might take a little while. Where's it gone? This might take a little second. Hang on. End credits. Picking my Lego order to send to the customer. Hey. Right, found it. Found it. That was a bit of chaos. Anyway, moderators. Yes, Mike, you did slay. You're absolutely right. But after all that drama, it wasn't even much of a dramatic credit list tonight. The moderators, Mike did his job, and remember, it's his responsibility. But the only subscriber and resub was Wild Prime Time. That's Church of Logic. He's subscribed to me on Twitch. That's it from me. Is everybody tired? I'm tired. I'll see you back in the morning, folks. We're all done. Oh, what a day. I did my job again. You did. That's it. I just kicked the bloody floor. See you tomorrow. Take care of yourselves and each other. Can't believe it.